Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Wishing all of you Happy Republic Day. Today, we celebrate this day as the commencement of our Constitution. On 26 January 1950, our Constitution was made. The preamble's first line says, "We the people." That is what this day signifies. That is what this day means. We the people of India live in a republic, sovereign and a democratic country. This day affirms our belief in equality, liberty, justice and fraternity. It makes us believe that the sacrifices made by our fallen heroes for the independence was worth it. We bow our heads to our fallen heroes. It is the commitment that we have to show towards our nation by doing right thing and being the right person. My heart is filled with pride when I think that we have come 75 years. We've completed 75 years and we stand over here with full pride. Today we all are present over here with a patriotic fervor, reminding ourselves about our rights and duties. Be a better citizen. Mahatma Gandhi ji said, "Those people who only talk about their rights never rise until they remember their duties." So before asking for rights, it is our fundamental duty to remember what are our duties towards the nation. How we can make our nation a better place to live in. Just a small poem for all of you. On this glorious day of joy, India celebrates its Republic Day with hearts full of love and cheer for the country we hold so much dear. The Indian flag flies high, showcasing our diversity, unity and pride. The tricolor reminds us of the sacrifices made, and for them we observe a grand parade. With freedom and justice, we are bestowed in our beautiful and vibrant abode. Together, let's uphold the values we hold and make our future strong and bold. Heroes of war, their stories often told. Stories so old, yet brave and bold. The Constitution was penned. It was a sacred creed. On this day, our spirits freed. As the anthem echoes, let us shine bright. In unity we stand. Let us raise our voices high. On this Republic Day, come what may, a nation's glory is forever to stay. A nation's glory is forever to stay. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Wishing all of you Happy Republic Day.